Hey all, good to have you here. Going to be solving a SAT math practice question. It's a linear algebra question. At the end of the solution, there's a bonus question for you to solve, an easier variant. Solve it, post your answers to the comment section of this video. Before we start, have you subscribed to the channel? So awesome. If not, please do that right away. Let's get started with the question. Emily deposits $1,200 in a savings account and withdraws $75 each month for expenses. The account balance B in dollars after n months can be represented by this equation, which is B of n is equal to 1200 minus 75n, where n is a number of months. After how many months will Emily's account balance be $525 is what the question is. As always, let's quickly write what this equation is. B of n, the balance at the end of n months, is equal to 1200 minus 75n. What is asked after how many months? What is n is equal to what? For what? When the balance B of n is equal to 525. We need to compute that value of n for which B of n is going to be equal to 525. B of n is equal to 525. The equation for B of n is 1200 minus 75n. So 525 equals 1200 minus 75n. Take this 525 to the right hand side and minus 75n to the left hand side. So minus 75n comes to the left hand side and becomes plus 75n is equal to 1200 minus 525. 1200 minus 525. 75n is equal to 1200 minus 500 is 700. Another 25 to be subtracted, which makes it a 675. 75n equals 675. Divide both sides by 75 will leave us with n is equal to 675 over 75, which is equal to 9. N is the number of months after which she is going to find this balance, which is equal to 525. So n is equal to 9 months. 9 months from the time she starts withdrawing will her balance be equal to $525. Choice B is the correct answer to the question. Here is a bonus question. Quite similar, little easier than what we did. A cyclist is riding away from home at a constant speed of 8 miles an hour. The distance d in miles between the cyclist and the home after t hours can be represented by this equation. It's a simpler equation, right? D of t, the distance, is equal to 8 times t. At what time will the cyclist be 32 miles away from home, right? Solve this question, post your answers to the comment section.